walk through how to create a Teams or channel within Microsoft Teams. So once you have the application open on your desktop, just navigate to the left-hand side. This is what we call the main navigation. So get into the Teams tab. And then from here, you're going to click this plus icon, create team. And then for this example, we'll name our team marketing. Just a quick reminder, make sure that all team names and descriptions are relevant to the content or purpose behind the teams and channels so that people know what to expect. So for the description, we'll keep it simple as well. We'll just do communication across the marketing department. Perfect. And then you can choose a team type. So you got private, where people need permission to join. You got public, where anyone in your organization can join if they want to. And then organization-wide, where everyone in the organization automatically gets added. So we'll do private for this case because we only want people in the marketing department to have access. And then it'll tell you to make your first channel. So just a quick reminder that the channels are subsets of the team, so still relevant to our marketing team. However, we want more focus groups underneath. So we will call this Microsoft Material. And then you create and it loads for a little bit. And then just like that, you can see that populate here on the left-hand side. So we got our team and then our channel. So if you want to add another channel, just go to the right-hand side of the team and click the three dots. And then add channel. And then again, we want this relevant, so we'll name this Epicor Material. And then you can give it a description if you want. And then again, you choose a channel type. So these are pretty similar to the ones that we chose for the team. So you have standard, where everyone on the team has access. Shared, where people in your organization or outside can have access if you share a link. And then private, where specific people on the team have access. So for this one, we'll just keep it as standard, as we want everyone in the marketing department to have access to this. And then another cool thing to point out is if you're, let's say for this example, more on the Epicor side of things than you are Microsoft, you can go to the right-hand side and click those three dots and click pin. And this will pull it up to the top for easy access. So for example, if you have all of these channels and teams on the left-hand side, it moves it up so it's called out. And if it's one you use frequently, then this is going to benefit you a lot. And then lastly, at the top bar of all channels and teams, you have these navigation options. So posts, this is basically your news feed for the particular team or channel. And then by default, you also have a files tab. So files, this will accumulate all the files shared across the team, whether that be in meetings and chats or in the newsfeed itself. And then notes. So this is where you can keep notes that are shared automatically with a team or channel. And then to the right of that, you have the option to add any of the apps that Microsoft offers. And this is dynamic based on the specific team or channel. So whatever apps your team uses, you can add here without having to affect other teams or channels.